Every November, Americans gather for turkey, pie, and gratitude. But the real story of Thanksgiving is more than a happy feast. It's a layered history of survival, alliance, conflict, and change. In 1620, a small band of English settlers, the Pilgrims, reached present-day Massachusetts after a brutal Atlantic crossing. Their first winter was catastrophic. Half of them died from disease, exposure, and hunger. Spring brought a lifeline. The Wampanoag people, who had lived in the region for thousands of years, shared vital knowledge, planting corn, fishing local waters, and adapting to the climate. That autumn, after a successful harvest, the colonists and Wampanoag shared a multi-day feast, known today as the First Thanksgiving in 1621. But this alliance wasn't a fairy tale. It was strategy. The Wampanoag, led by Massasoit, sought protection in a dangerous new geopolitical landscape shaped by European diseases and rival powers. The Pilgrims, in turn, needed allies to survive. For a short period of time, the agreement held. Within a generation, though, pressures mounted. More English settlements spread. Land seizures and broken promises multiplied. In the 1670s, violence exploded into King Philip's War, one of the deadliest conflicts in early American history, shattering Wampanoag independence and reshaping New England. Meanwhile, colonies and towns held their own local days of Thanksgiving, either religious or civic, tied to harvests or deliverance from hardship. It wasn't until 1863, amid the Civil War, that President Abraham Lincoln called for a national day of Thanksgiving, a day of gratitude meant to rally a fractured nation. The date wasn't even locked in until almost a century later. In 1941, when Congress officially set Thanksgiving as the fourth Thursday in November. Over time, parades, football, and family traditions helped define the modern holiday we know today. But meanings differ. For many Native Americans, Thanksgiving is also a national day of mourning, an honest reflection on loss, survival, and resilience. For others, it's a time to celebrate family and abundance. The truth is that both perspectives belong to the same American story. Remembering the full history doesn't erase celebration, it deepens it. Gratitude grows stronger when it includes empathy, context, and respect for those who came before us. If this gave you a fuller picture of Thanksgiving, tap like, subscribe, and turn on the bell for more quick, factual stories from AI Mini Docs. Drop a comment with what you want us to cover next, and share this with someone who loves history. Happy Thanksgiving, and we'll see you in the next one.